what you do.
Stop the beat a minute. I got something to say.
Can you beat
Anything for you.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Where's my hair?
Your hair has been destroyed.
any of you still alive?
...2025 delivered massive box office hits and unforgettable movie moments. From explosive action to epic franchise, these films dominated theaters worldwide. Today, we are counting down the 16 hottest box office hit movies of 2025. Let's dive in. At number 16, The Accountant.
I'm just trying to find my way.
Do you like puzzles, Mr. Wolf?
I need your help to finish the job you started.
Was your brother up to speed on the case?
A Fed, huh? Let me do the talking. I'm just trying to find my
The Accountant 2 follows Christian Wolf as he is pulled back into a deadly world of crime. After a dangerous new case surfaces, using his brilliant mind and lethal skill, he uncovers a web of corruption and betrayal. As enemies close in, Wolf must outthink and outwit them, balancing justice, loyalty, and survival once again. At number 15, Bugonia.
Let's go again.
Two conspiracy-obsessed young men kidnap the CEO of a major company, convinced she is an alien plotting to destroy Earth. As tension rises and secrets unfold, their plan spirals out of control, forcing them to face the consequences of obsession. The story blends dark comedy, suspense, and sci-fi, exploring paranoia, belief, and the line between reality and delusion. At number 14, Superman.
Did you consult with the president?
Superman reintroduced the Man of Steel as he struggled to balance his Kryptonian legacy with his human upbringing on Earth. As new threats challenge his ideals, Clark Kent must prove that hope and compassion still matter in a divided world. The story focuses on identity, responsibility, and what it truly means to be a hero today. Number 13. One Battle After Another.
Mom, we used to run around and do some real bad.
When their ruthless enemy resurfaces after 16 years, a group of ex-revolutionaries reunites to rescue one of their own daughter. Facing old rivalries, deadly traps, and relentless foes, they fight through impossible odds. The story blends action, suspense, and brotherhood, exploring loyalty, courage, and the lengths people to go protect family and honor. Number 12. Avatar Fire and Ash. Avatar Fire and Ash returns to Pandora as Jack Sully and Natty face a powerful new Navis clan tied to fire and destruction. As tension rises, the conflict pushes Pandora into its darkest chapter yet. The story explores strength, loss, and survival, expanding the world with new culture, higher stakes, and an emotional battle that threatens the balance of the planet. At number 11, Black Bag. British intelligence officer George Woodhouse hunts a traitor leaking top secret data only to find his own wife among the suspects. As deception deepens, trust collapses, and dangers grows. The story blends spy thriller and psychological drama, exploring loyalty, betrayal, and the cost of uncovering the truth. At number 10, Back in Action. Back in Action follows two former spies who left their dangerous lives behind to raise a family. When their secret past is exposed, they are pulled back into the world of espionage. The story blends fast-paced action and comedy, exploring trust, teamwork, and what happens when family life collides with spy missions. At number 9, Heads of State. When the UK Prime Minister and US President become targets of a foreign adversary, they must rely on each other to stop a global conspiracy. As danger escalates and secrets surface, every decision carries life or death stakes. The story blends political thriller and action, exploring power, trust, and the lengths leader will go to protect the world. Number 8. Ballerina. Ballerina is set in the John Wick universe, following a young assassin trained in a brutal ballet academy. After her family is murdered, she embarks on a relentless mission of revenge. The story blends elegant choreography with ruthless action, exploring grief, discipline, and how far someone will go when violence becomes their only language.